Hello everyone, this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions, and today I've got a really super nice bike here. This is a 1997 BMW R1100 Touring, and it's going to go no reserve charity donation on our auction on the 16th. That is June 16th at 1 p.m. You can bid online, bid in person, come out, take a look at this bike. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for previews. Come out, check this out. We even have an inspection service. This has a brand new warranted battery on it as well, so it's ready to go, ready to fire up, and it's in very nice condition. And I've got Shane here. He's going to help me start it because I can't do everything in video and then whatnot, and Shane is like the motorcycle guru. So a little quick walk around. It's got big your hard case on the, you got your hard case, I guess, bags. Yeah. Just got your rear bag. You've got it's 1100 cc, I believe. You got heated handle grips. Heated handle grips, and this is a 1997, so this is a little bit of an older bike. Looks like it's got 95,935 miles on the odo. And let's go ahead and start her up, Shane. Easy as that. Runs out, drives really nice. It was ridden here. And just for mobility, how about if you take a lap, Shane?
All right.
Yeah, it runs out really nice. So this is going to be on our auction here in a little bit, where you could bid online, bid in person. Online bidding will be open right now, and it's just a super nice bike. It is time to ride, and look at that thing. Nice BMW touring bike. Little on the older side, but runs out, drives really nice, stops nice. Come out and check this one out. Like I said, this is no reserve, sold to the highest bidder. It's gonna go June 6th at 1 p.m. Like I said, we're always open Tuesday through Saturday for previews, 9 a.m. or June 16th, excuse me. Yeah, June 16th, not the 6th, at 1 p.m. You could bid online, bid in person, and please come out, take a look at merchandise, vehicles. We're always open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, put some comments down below or give us a call at 360-273-5808. Thanks for watching.